That
shit looks like 3D, like a champ.
But I'm going to the beach, money in my pocket, so I know I have to reach. Call a couple girls, tell them to link up with my
looks like a champ.
rolling on them topless jeans.